everyone, I'm Vivian Suntail, and to finish off my Prismacolor art box unboxing, I'm going to have my sister explain to me how to draw an animal that I don't know about. And let's see if I can get the position correct, too.
This animal has its muzzle wide open.
Is its body in the frame?
Its whole body is in the frame.
Got it.
This animal has a pretty skinny body.
Is it sitting?
No, it is standing up.
Need more room. How big is its muzzle?
It is probably halfway up its head. It's like covers half his head.
Okay.
It is standing still and looking at me.
Okay.
Its tail is in a smiley face shape.
Mm-hmm. What does its tail look like?
Its tail is not bushy. It is like a line. This animal's tail has also a bushy point at the end. This animal has grass all around it.
How long are its legs?
Its legs are about as long as its body. This animal is a boy. Animal looks like it's completely full from a meal.
Do we have a chunky boy?
Yeah, he's pretty chunky.
Okay.
His eyes are very tiny. His ears are half circles.
Okay. What does its nose look like?
His nose is like a button, like circle like a button, but it has a point at the end.
Okay.
And it has two black nostrils.
Okay.
His teeth are white and sharp.
How many teeth does he have?
42.
Okay.
Do you have any more questions?
You said it was a boy?
Yeah.
Is there anything to say that it's a boy?
Oh
Oh my gosh, I drew its neck freakishly long, but, well.
It has a big bush around its head.
Okay. I think I know what it is.
Okay, what do you think it is?
Is it a lion?
Yeah, you got it!
Now let's compare how I drew it to how the picture is. And this is what it actually looks like. Now let's color it. Let's use the Prismacolor colored pencils and see what we can do to this bad boy. Thank you for watching, everyone. And yes, I know this picture is a bit messy, but I was mostly just trying to show how well the colors went onto the page, and they did beautifully. And don't forget to vote for the next creatures I put together. Bye!